Welcome back to TechRill. Today, we are diving into a lightweight yet powerful setup for developers on the go, using GitHub Copilot right inside your browser with VS Code Web or vscode.dev. Visual Studio Code is a free, open source and lightweight code editor developed by Microsoft and used by most of the developers. VS Code Web, that is vscode.dev, is a browser-based version of Visual Studio Code. It allows you to open and edit files directly from your local machine or GitHub repositories, run lightweight code edits. Some keyboard shortcuts and themes are available. You can install extensions. We use VS Code Webs when we are in a restricted or shared device, or we need a quick edits or review without launching a full IDE, or you want to collaborate via GitHub repos on the fly. You may be traveling or you are on a hurry. You want to just do a lightweight edit. Then we use the VS Code Web. For VS Code Web, it lets you work with your code directly from the cloud within your browser without any installation needed. And now the experience gets even smarter with the GitHub Copilot's code completion integrated right inside VS Code Web. Copilot brings AI-powered suggestions, intelligently completing lines, methods, or entire block of code based on your project context, all within your browser. Let us see it in action. Go to vscode.dev. This is the VS Code web URL, vscode.dev. And directly going to install the Copilot. Go to extensions, search for Copilot. Install it. You will get a pop-up saying there are some of these features not supported because GitHub Copilot have both chat as well as the code completion. In web version of VS Code, only code completion is supported. Go ahead and install. Once it's installed, let us open one of the repositories, or you can even work on a local file. I'm going to open a remote repository from my GitHub and specifying that AMB org repos is what we need. Let me give the repo name here. You can select one of the repositories from the list. Instead of that, I have just passed the repository I am looking at. CellSock is my repository opened directly from GitHub in my browser and going to do some edit. For example, I have a TS component here. We are inside the bar chart component and there is no Copilot icon in the status bar. So going back to the extensions and checking what happened to our Copilot, it's in a disabled format. So I need to enable it for this particular workspace. Enable and trust it. Now Copilot is active. Let us go back to our file and observe that Copilot is displayed here. And it's shown Copilot code completion. Only code completion is available. You won't be able to get the chat feature in VS Code browser or the web-based VS Code. It supports only code completion. Let us try the code completion by asking Copilot to add a new method. Add a method for validating address object, capturing address details. You can observe that Copilot came up with a suggestion, validate address. You can go ahead and enhance this method, or you can have another method and a method for email verification. So whether you are working on coding on a browser device or just want to stay lightweight, VS Code Web Plus, GitHub Copilot brings AI coding experience anywhere, anytime. Try it today at vscode.dev and supercharge your coding sessions with the GitHub Copilot right inside your browser.